Hi, my name is Bheemappa Pujari. I am from Vijayapura in Karnataka state. I have completed my graduate become from Shyhadri Degree College, Vijayapura in 2022. After that, I am searching for a job in Naukri.com. Then my brother suggested to me in Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd company. Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd company is a recruitment and consulting company where I got real time work experience in like basic networking, CCNA, cyber security, ITIL, virtualization, teach by very good trainers in Evision team. Now I got placed in ITCONS e-solutions private limited destination of desktop support engineer with 2.4 LPA. Thank you all. Especially thanks for Priya ma'am. Thank you.